The advent of AR technology is altering the competitive landscape for companies of all stripes. The potential of augmented reality to superimpose digital data onto the real environment is changing the way companies do business and engage with their customers. In this video, we'll take a look at the many applications of augmented reality, as well as the pros, cons, and potential solutions for organizations interested in adopting this cutting-edge technology. So, make sure you subscribe to our channel AI Tech Academy to keep getting our AI and tech-related videos, and do like the video if you like the content. So, without any further delay, let's start with augmented reality. The field of augmented reality, AR, is experiencing rapid development and holds great promise for altering the way we engage with the physical environment. Through the use of augmented reality, digital data is superimposed onto the real environment, resulting in a hybrid experience that features the advantages of both worlds. Augmented reality technology allows users to view and interact with virtual content in the real world, thereby increasing the user experience and opening up new avenues for user engagement and interaction. Augmented reality can help firms train existing employees as well as onboard new candidates. A program of augmented reality training can offer a more active and visually appealing approach to skill development than classroom or online training, as it provides hands-on learning experiences in the workplace, allowing the learner to take a hands-on approach and perform tasks several times. This allows individuals to develop muscle memory and refine methods while receiving individualized training in a risk-free setting. This method is not only more interesting for employees, it also dramatically improves information retention. A recent study by NeuroInsight discovered that when engaging with AR versus non-AR, the area of the brain responsible for memory storage witnessed nearly 3 times the level of activity, making it a perfect tool to get staff up to speed while learning or polishing skills. As a result, augmented reality is becoming more widely acknowledged for its potential to provide instruction in highly technical, precision-critical, and complex positions. For some professions, such as surgery, it also solves the dilemma of the need for practical training where repetition is essential, but on-the-job training can be difficult because even minor errors can have catastrophic effects. AR can assist in revolutionizing how troublesome activities are accomplished in technical positions, particularly those where workers operate remotely or in solitude. Furthermore, when technicians are equipped with wearable technology, such as the Microsoft HoloLens 2, rather than a smartphone or tablet, they may work hands-free while seeing and hearing vital information, allowing them to perform more efficiently and effectively. Augmented reality is not only a brilliant tool for hands-on, process-driven work, it is also an excellent tool for product design and development. Simply put, it has the potential to accelerate rapid prototyping. Augmented reality can accomplish this by elevating 3D models to new heights. Like models take on a completely realistic look and feel when accurate and detailed models that can overlay the real world are created, as well as full-sized and interactive models. This allows product designers to produce design versions that can be easily tested and thoroughly scrutinized. To obtain further comments and input, designs can be shared with other teams, clients, and others. While being a gimmick is counterproductive when incorporating AR technology into a business, one of the primary strengths of augmented reality when it comes to experimental marketing activity is separating from competitors with something distinctive and eye-catching. Gaming, marketing, retail, healthcare, and education are a few of the fields now making use of augmented reality technology. So, let's first delve into how it's used in marketing. AR is being used to create immersive experiences that engage customers and promote brand loyalty. Businesses are leveraging AR to provide interactive product demos, virtual try-on, and personalized product recommendations. For example, cosmetic companies are using AR to allow customers to test makeup products virtually before making a purchase, increasing sales and reducing product returns. AR is also being used to enhance the customer experience and increase engagement. Businesses are using AR to provide interactive and educational experiences that help customers better understand products and services. For example, automotive companies are using AR to provide customers with a virtual tour of their vehicles, enabling them to see features and options in real time. Furthermore, AR is also used to the specific needs and interests of individual customers. Businesses are using AR to provide customers with personalized product recommendations, customized virtual try-on, and interactive product guides. Moving on, let's talk about how AR is used in healthcare industry. As a result, the healthcare industry is embracing augmented reality technology to transfer medical teaching, surgery planning, and patient education. Medical personnel can use augmented reality technology to visualize complex anatomical features and perform procedures in a safe and controlled setting. Aside from that, AR is utilized in patient education to help patients better grasp their medical issues and treatment options. AR, for example, is being utilized to generate interactive and instructive content that assists patients in understanding how pharmaceuticals work and how to use medical devices properly. All of this demonstrates that the potential benefits of augmented reality in healthcare are substantial, and we can expect to see much more imaginative uses of augmented reality in the future. And that's just a few of the use cases of AR in healthcare. Now let's move forward for our final industry for this video, and that's the use of AR in retail. Augmented reality is employed in retail to provide customers with more engaging and informative experiences. To better serve their consumers, companies are adopting AR to provide interactive product guides and allow customers to virtually try on things in their own environments before making a purchase. In the furniture industry, for instance, augmented reality is being used to let clients virtually try out furniture in their homes before making a purchase. The usage of AR has also led to the development of customized products and services that adapt to the preferences of individual consumers. Virtual try-on and customized product recommendations are just two of the ways that augmented reality is being used by businesses to better serve their customers. Fashion stores, for instance, are increasing sales and decreasing returns by employing augmented reality to let shoppers virtually try on garments and accessories before buying. Customers are engaged and given a one-of-a-kind shopping experience thanks to the incorporation of augmented reality into interactive and informative in-store activities. Stores selling children's toys are one industry that is putting this technology to use, by creating interactive displays that use augmented reality so that kids may engage with virtual characters and worlds. We believe even though augmented reality has the potential to greatly help retail businesses, there are still several obstacles that must be overcome before it can be widely used. Here, it's the responsibility of retailers to make sure their customers are both open to and capable of adopting augmented reality. In the end, we must say that AR's potential extends beyond the wacky gamification of the world in apps like Pokemon Go, as augmented reality could change how we see and interact with the world as apps, technology, and 5G grows. AR technology has business benefits for all industries. Visually attractive AR experiences must have a purpose. But still, to succeed, AR technology must be introduced to solve a specific strategic or operational problem and have a solid business case. So that's the end of the video. Now, if you have any questions related to anything we explained, then do mention that in the comment box below. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel AI Tech Academy for weekly content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.